So put your hands together. It's not easy being the first act to go on. Let's hear it for Mitzi Macintosh!
In the opening pages of the opera, we hear the lovely, ardent, youthful theme that will be associated with the most exciting 18 minutes in opera.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,
3 years ago, they had a new version of Carmen at the Met. Well, next year they're going to have still a newer version. And the scene will be laid in Texas. there will be 30 head of cattle on the stage. And I have been chosen to sing the role of Carmen. So now I would like to sing for you the habanera. Everybody swing and everybody dance. Swing that gal with a hole in his pocket on her knees, keep an ankle in her petticoat, a flapper, and take a roar and keep the beat with a clap, clap, clap with the big flat feet. Jump for the oyster, dive for the clam, duck for the hole in the old tin pan. Swing your partner in the same old track, if you don't stop soon to have a heart attack. Large your mouth and keep your head, wave the corners, drop down dead. I promenade home and I don't doubt you can find someone else because I'm all wore out.
Gossip and we check a glass of wine and then we take a cat. Tush, 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 I'll whisper in your ear. Tush, tush, trash, trash, some things you like to hear. Let's not hesitate now. Just can't wait now. Time to take now. We keep the tattle when we chat. Tush, tush, did she leave him flat, dear? Oh, fancy that, dear. Let us chit and chat, dear. After we give up, we'll talk a lot. Tush, tush.
I'm fucking bugging after that. Good evening, ladies and ladies. How the fuck are we? Welcome to the grand final of Drag Island. Now, for those of you who don't know much about me, I'm from Australia. I don't know what you cottoned on to that. Yeah, Australia. I grew up in the Blue Mountains outside Australia.
Explains it.
Hey?
Explains it.
Explains it? Explains what? Fuck me. I've got hecklers already. Fantastic. That's all I need. I am actually, I'm performing under the name of Mitzi Macintosh because I am an escaped convict. Fucking company to get away from there. Grew up the son of a preacher man. I am the pink sheep of the family. Much like everybody else, I was bashed at school, called gay. Then I went to a Christian school where I was gifted. Suddenly you're not gay anymore, you're gifted. I then became an outreach minister with the O'Connor Uniting Church. Hasn't my life fucking changed? Seriously. Yeah, but unfortunately I was doing a little bit too much of the outreaching and they didn't want me around anymore. Now, I thought in this bit I should actually make a pledge to the London community because, of course, if I do win this competition, as the reigning drag idol, I need to make sure that I carry out the duties of a drag idol. So I pledge to make London a better place. I do pledge to spit and not swallow. And I do pledge I will do everything I possibly can to make sure there's a World Pride March next Saturday. Yeah, even if it means I've got to fucking decorate my Ford Focus and hop on top and drive it down through fucking Trafalgar Square, I will do it. I'll make sure of it. So, I'm going to continue with the celebration of everything Pompadour. So, enjoy this. Thank you.
My performance tonight is in the nature of a guide for concert audiences. I'm going to make an entrance for this number because it's a good idea to use shock tactics.
Stories high, people letting loose your, they're getting down on the floor here. The fools are screaming, they're out of control. It was so entertaining when the boogie began to explode. Oh, please don't say no. Oh, please don't say no. Remember satisfaction. Oh, military reaction. I couldn't get enough. So I started to strut my stuff in the heat of everybody goes on. Oh, that was breaking my spark, but I heard somebody scream. Oh, diesel mother town. Oh, diesel all around my head, I hear music in the air. That makes me know there's a party somewhere.
The black cap, it didn't work, the black cap. I pulled it and I pulled it, it disappeared inside the wing and imploded, and there was fucking nothing. So I thought, alright, I'm going to have to test this. So I stood in the corner of the lounge room the other day, moved all the furniture, and it was beautiful. And gave that a fucking pull. It blew, it cost me £7, but it was worth it. Then vacuumed up the residue. Alright, now, normally this is where I stop my routine, but I did receive an email the other day from Anabolics. Does anyone know Anabolics? Yeah. She's great. She's like a little muscle munchkin. She's like this fucking tall. She's like a little nugget Nebraska. She is. And she said, you know what would be good if you did a change? So I thought, alright then, I'll give it a go. And also, this is one of Bag of Chips' favourite numbers, so I'm going to give it a go against, well, I was going to say, do you want an encore, but I was too scared I'd get a fucking no from over here. So I'm going to do it anyway. So give me 2 seconds, talk amongst yourselves, I'll change and be back, okay?
Aren't you Norman Desmond? You used to be in pictures. You used to be big.
I am big. It's the pictures that got small. Where I was born to be.
I thought you were I do on stage destroying the set. You know, that's what a good mind Mac does anyway. Okay, well done Mitzi. One more time, let's hear it for Mitzi. So, Mitzi, you fucking beauty. You, to me, you do everything I absolutely love. I really do. I've got to know you over the last week with the Drama Queens. But you do everything I love on stage. I love mime. There isn't enough of it on the scene. You're refreshing. You're off the wall as well. It's what the scene needs. And going out first is never easy for whoever it would be anyway. You set the standard. I'm a very happy queen. I think you're absolutely brilliant. I loved it. And your lip sync is second to none. Second to none. Just quickly. And you're live as well. A little bit of pattern that you did as well to establish the connection with the audience. Loved it. Loved the Christian gags. I'm a homosexual. Anything against Jesus, I love. Well done, Mitzi. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you. Thank you very much. We'll go to Rupert. Okay, Rupert from Roof High Management. I have to say, your delivery, I have to echo what Stephen said, Lola. It is amazing. Even this far away, what you've done with your eye makeup, so you are selling it. Now, that's one of the most difficult things when you are a mime artist, and especially when we're used to in the UK, quick changes, comedy routines, with two of the best, one is standing next to you on stage. So to bring a little bit of Australia, which I know is more a traditional mime feel without the humour, was amazing. My only criticism would be, I suggest for you to work countrywide, actually take these individual characters of mime and turn it into a full set, almost like a Kerry Dupree, but a mime version of Kerry Dupree. Because you look amazing on stage. It really was quite a wonderful show. Well done, well done. Yay! You have to give a full show to see that. Okay, we're going to go along to Sherry. Hello, darling. Right.
Hello. You are undoubtedly extremely talented. I mean, you have the most amazing stage presence. You can't help.
So, Sherry, excuse me, the chat. Darling, did you hear me earlier? If you want to chat, go next door. Okay, that's twice you've been told now. I get really butch on the third time. Honestly, I spare myself. Sorry, just respect to the action to the judges. Sherry, thank you, darling.
Just everybody, just for a second. I'll repeat that I think you're an amazingly talented, absolutely incredible. Your stage presence, you can't help but look at you. You're unique. You're absolutely watchable in every kind of way. You look magnificent. Your costumes are unbelievable. Yay! They really are unbelievable.
And she makes them all herself as well.
Oh really? Oh my God.
You should make this for me, I can assure you.
The lip sync is out of this world, outstanding. My only thing would be, I would say, I love Norma. And I, personally, would have started with Norma. Because, well, it's just that Norma, you immediately connect with. And it's so stunning, Norma. I just think, from there on, you could have gone anywhere. But I'm a bit like you. I think maybe the whole thing maybe could be connected a little bit more. But you are unbelievably talented. It's just incredible to watch you. So fantastic.
Yay! Thank you, Sherry. And lastly, our range chat 722.
Oh, I just want to echo what everybody else said in here. I think you're absolutely phenomenal. I mean, your lip syncing is absolutely brilliant, and I love how you use your eyes and those lashes. I absolutely adore. I agree with Cherie in that I wouldn't have started with that 1 to 100 number, because in an audience like this, as a two pros on a Friday night, it goes on quite a bit until it gets to the punch at the end. And I also would have spoken to the audience sooner than you did. You were 3 songs in before you established that connection. But as soon as you spoke to the audience, the next 2 numbers, you had them. But other than that, I think you're absolutely brilliant, and you'll have a very long career, darling.
Like I say, never easily in the first one. Mitzi Macintosh.